When you're uploading a profile photo on Facebook, you can add a frame to it if you want. In this video, we'll explain how to add a frame to your profile photo on Facebook. First, open the Facebook application. Once it's open, you'll see 3 lines at the top. Tap on those 3 lines. When you do, you'll see your profile name. Click on your profile name. After that, you'll notice your profile photo at the top. Click on it. When you do, you'll see an option that says Choose Profile Picture. Tap on that. Once you tap it, you'll be taken to your gallery. From there, pick the photo you want to set as your profile photo. If you'd rather use a photo from your Facebook profile, here's what you can do. At the top, you'll see an Uploads option. Tap it, and you'll see all the photos in your Facebook profile. You can also select a photo from there. For example, let's say I choose this photo. After picking it, if you want to add a frame, click Add Frame. When you do, you'll see tons of frames. If you're looking for a specific frame, tap the search icon and type in what you want. If you like a frame, just tap on it, and it'll be added. After that, if you want to add text, you can type something here. If you'd like to share this on your newsfeed, check that box. If not, uncheck it. Once you're done, hit the Save button. When you do, your profile photo will be uploaded with the frame. That's how you can easily add a frame to your profile photo on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.